Unit 1. Lesson 3. An interview, Part A. Meet a local personality. This month, we talked to Jack James. He runs Pizza Cabin, the well-known Italian takeaway and cafe in the high street. I'm sure we've all been there many times with our families. How long have you worked at Pizza Cabin, Mr. James? I've worked in the cafe for 10 years. But I've lived in Ashby since I was born. Do you enjoy your work? I enjoy some parts of my work. I don't enjoy cleaning up when the cafe closes. What do you like doing in your spare time? I love painting. What things do you dislike doing? I don't like washing up. I have to do that at work. And I hate gardening. It's very hard work. But we have a beautiful garden because my wife loves gardening. What kind of people do you like and dislike? I really like people who are polite and ask for things nicely. I don't like people who are impolite and shout. What's your favorite food? Italian food, of course, pizzas and pasta. But I also like some English food, like fish and chips. What's your favorite TV program? I watch all the programs about cooking. My favorite one is A Taste of the Sea. I always learn something. Do you have any suggestions for making the town better? There are too many cars in the town center. Why don't they build a ring road?